Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a clean my room with me. I literally cleaned it like 2 days ago and it's already dirty. I seriously can't study unless my room is clean. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. I'm gonna say it's not that bad, but like it actually is. My desk, and my floor, over here, my makeup desk, and this corner. And my bed's not done. I feel like the first step I should do is my bed. So let's go do that. Okay, I need some music.
One time for the girl that got away, 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray, 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? It's clear, see, I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. Rapping for a cause, the life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose.
Okay, so I just finished my bed. What should I clean next? Let's do this section. I'm gonna go get some glass cleaner to clean my TV. You just passed that off the couch. 'Cause I'm
and I ain't the
same. Okay, next I have to clean like my shelves. So cluttered. I have like my palettes right here, my jewelry and stuff, and then like perfume and miscellaneous stuff. To see how dusty this is. So here's all my palettes. I just got a new one. I don't know where to put it. Here's all my little palettes. If you guys want me to do a makeup like tour thing, I'll definitely do that. But these are all my little cute palettes, beauty blenders. Don't know where to put her. And then I'm gonna like clean this by wiping the shelf. Also, I like made this super glue, but like it came apart. If you want a DIY on that, let me know. The couch.
I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
I need to do a huge palette declutter because I just don't need that many palettes. I don't even use half of those. But now I gotta clean my jewelry. I also made this out of plates and candle holders.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a if you're involved, 'cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning,
I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no excuse, like you ain't got no time for me. Is it was true? Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, wanna summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bad at? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be your now, I could be your next. I could be the one to relieve your stress when we talk back. One day I could take it, give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it. And I don't like to fight, you're the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice, at the movies eating Mike and Ikes. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second. Girl, don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bout it, down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man.
Be who you wanna be,
I will not blame you.
do what you wanna do.
Don't wanna play you,
If you would come with me,
then I would take you
anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him, you'd be sure to see that I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Fire type, elemental beast that resembles me, and it accounts for elemental P. You the track up like, are you impressed? Get your bread, kid, but never let it go to your head. That's S for success, to be the best. T is teach back what you learn, that's next. Cause you got the power, V for voluntary action. W is right out to life with a passion. X is expect to fail, why cease to dream? Even when you ain't catching them Z's, and that's the alphabet.
For so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good things will come. I've been trying for so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good things will come, they will come.
Yo, think they starting to follow me. So A is to attempt to be the change you wanna see, and D is to be different. But tell us what you mean. Like, are you one of them good guys, or you one of us fiends? Either way, you gotta eat. Elevate your mind right, cause F is for the fine life, and that's how you define life. But I say G is get back to your home, and H is help the people that done help to along this exam. But why lie? You got zip if you ain't got fam, and that's the alphabet.
For so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good things will come. I've been trying for so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good things will come, they will come. Trying for so long, been surviving for so long. They will come. Trying for so long, been
If my songs go pop, 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 what makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My camera's gonna die, but please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.
Rocks off. That's right, I said you're all soft. So I paint over the scene.